this actually smells like a whisper. Okay. Hey kitties, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, I'm Marilyn and I'm bringing you all things beauty, fashion, lifestyle, even a little bit of fragrance. So if you like that kind of stuff, go ahead and subscribe. Okay kitties, so we're getting into a first impressions video and it is fragrance. And I got a package from Fulton Roark. Is that how it's pronounced? Yeah, I believe it's Fulton Roark. I've never tried any of their fragrances and I'm happy to try it. Now, this particular fragrance is a little bit over the budget that I've been, going for. We've been doing a lot of Middle Eastern fragrances, very affordable. This fragrance is like about $200, a little over $200. Okay, and these are supposed to be extrait perfume, so they're supposed to last forever. Well, not forever, but these should be very long lasting fragrances, and they sent me one called Cloudland that I was interested in. So let's get into it and get this first impression. So, okay, so I'm just gonna go ahead and open up the box and we're gonna do literally everything that's gonna be a first impressions, okay? American Fine Fragrances. We'll be the judge of that because Latapa has us spoiled. Okay, it looks like they also sent some like samples of other fragrances, which is nice. I really like the packaging and everything. I love that it's in black. I really like this. Nice, classy, simple, sleek. So far, so good. So I have some, well, we'll leave the sample for another day, the samples, but I'm glad I do have that option of a sample. And here is the packaging of the fragrance that I was interested in. It's called Cloudland, and it has top notes of citrus zest, transparent jasmine. Never actually heard of transparent jasmine. I never really heard of that, but mid notes is jasmine, sambac, ylang ylang, cashmere, which sounds soft and pretty. Love that. And it has a base note of patchouli, ambrox, skin musk, moss, and crystals. And this is supposed to be a really nice summer fragrance. It gives like the vibes from what I read on the website. It's like, a nice fresh rainstorm in the summer, that relaxing, simple skin scent vibe. When I think of anything rain like in real life actually doesn't smell good to me, but I understand the vibes. Okay, that paints like a picture, but actual rain, like when it rains and what it smells like after that, it's a little too natural for me. But clearly this is not going to smell exactly like rain, and it better not. All right, so let's go ahead and open up. I love the fact that they have the notes on the outside of the packaging, just sort of wrapped around. Before you open it, you know what you're getting into, and I really do love that. And it also has that seal with their signature here, and it says American Fine Fragrance. So we love that. I love classy. I love things that present well. So I love the packaging. I love how it looks. That's important to me too, but it's really not as important as how it smells, but you know what I mean. Just go ahead and just rip that seal. All right, so this is Cloudland. I love simplicity. Like me personally, I love when a bottle looks like this because they look nice on your vanity. It doesn't really throw you off when you see this when you see a bottle like this sitting on a vanity. Like sometimes some bottles are so extravagant and do too much and it looks a little crazy with everything else. This blends right in, okay? I love simplicity. I think simplicity is very classy, and a lot of times less is actually more. So this is what it looks like. Cloudland. I don't know, it just looks like a clean girl fragrance. So let's get this first impressions. So I'm gonna spray it. Now I'm gonna spray it here on top of my hand. Ooh, it sprays out a lot. Oh my gosh, this smells, oh, Y'all, this is a true skin scent, and this is a very good thing. Now, on those nights, like fresh out of the shower, fragrances that you wear when you do not want to, oh my gosh, I really like this. Anyway, let me tell you what I smell. I'm like all over the place. I'm already describing where you're gonna wear this and when you're gonna wear it. But when I spray this, I smell immediately that citrus zest, and it is so minimal. It's not like a loud in your face. It is very subtle. This actually smells like a whisper. Okay, I don't know how to describe it. It smells like a soft, gentle whisper. Okay, and you smell the citrus. I smell the citrus and the ylang ylang, like a floral tone to it, and that cashmerean, and everything else just smells like clean skin in the softest way. Okay, so this is the epitome. This is the epitome of a clean girl scent. Okay, so if you are a clean girl and you love natural fragrances that aren't extremely loud, it doesn't really project and create that scent bubble, but in intimate moments, this is a beautiful scent because it just smells like someone who is clean and soft. Definitely like a girl next door. Honestly, this scent to me is something that I would not mind smelling on a man as well. I don't know if it's said to be unisex, but I wouldn't mind smelling this on a man as well, so that, you know, I'm gonna let my husband smell. I wouldn't mind smelling this on my husband. It's not strong. Like I said, it smells like skin, but it just smells like a natural, nice smelling person. And this has a bit of oil in the formula, so you can see, I don't know if you can see like that shine on my skin. So this is not something that I would spray on my clothes. I would only spray this on my skin, like in those points where like your neck, your wrists, maybe a little bit on your back, behind the knees. I truly do love this. Okay, I truly do. This is not something that I'm wearing to a party, to that way everyone can smell it, but this is in the most intimate moments. I would be wearing this like at home, if I'm going just to run errands, I'm not really needing or not in the mood for a very potent fragrance, I am going to spray this. But this is definitely something you spray on the skin. You can even layer this. I don't really smell a lot of patchouli in this, which is fine. But I do smell that musk. That's that natural scent that I smell. Very softly done, beautiful. Just like a, let me tuck this hair behind my ear. Look, a really delicate, dainty smell. I do love this fragrance, but only for those, again, those simple, intimate moments. The description that this gives, like fresh rain in the summertime, that's literally what this smells like. You know, like when you clean your house, when your house is clean, you take a shower and you just settle down into the couch and cozy up and just watch your favorite shows, read your favorite book, scroll on TikTok, whatever it is that relaxes you, and a little bit of you time, or me time, whatever. This is what this fragrance reminds me of, and I think it's great to have at least 1 or 2 fragrances in your collection that smells like this. And I am impressed. I kind of want to smell the other ones that they put in here, actually. Y'all, so it's a discovery set. Like, it's like so many in here. Like, hello. I'm not gonna smell all of them right now, girl, but I want to smell a couple. All right, so this is called the Window, girl. I don't know what the notes are, but I'm gonna spray it just for funsies, okay? So let's see. This smells like a men's. This smells woodsy and earthy, but it smells more masculine. I think this smells like almost like a cedar wood. I don't know. I need to read the notes of it. But again, this is just a discovery set. I'm just going through smelling them and seeing what I think about it. But the cloud candy, absolutely. I'm not that into this one. This is super masculine to me. So I'm gonna have some fun trying these samples, but I am really glad that I got this in the full bottle, because when I read it, I was like, you know what? I'm really interested in see what this smells like, and I picked the right one. So again, we're thinking clean girl, very minimal makeup, if any makeup at all, okay? And this is great skin, fluttery lashes, a nice lip balm, no color, just very plain and simple, white t-shirt, very effortless hair. Completely the opposite of what I look like right now. To me, this is my laid back days. This is like, you know, running errands, picking up your kid from school. Like, you just need to have a little something on because you're a woman, and like put on some perfume, you know what I mean? But it doesn't have to always be out there or sexy or that type of perfume. This to me is that true clean girl fragrance, and I don't have anything that smells as clean as this or as soft as this. It's literally a whisper. I guess that's where they get the whole cloud thing. Very light, airy, fluffy in a clean way. Absolutely, absolutely. 10/10. This is even something that you can spray on your skin fresh out of the shower onto your skin and still layer with your more potent fragrances. Okay, but this is gonna stay on the skin. Like, this is gonna remain on the skin to give you that skin scent that smells clean, and I can appreciate this type of fragrance, and I'm really glad they reached out to me, because had they not reached out to me, I wouldn't even know. I would not even know. So I am going to add this. This is giving nighttime routine fragrance. Definitely giving nighttime routine fragrance. I have a few fragrances that I like to wear to sleep, but this is definitely giving a nighttime routine or something that I want to add or implement to my nighttime routine, and I can greatly appreciate it. I do love how this smells. It's just like a whisper. Just like, yeah, just, oh, yeah. So that was my first impression of the Fulton Roark fragrance, at least the one that I tried, the Cloud Candy. It smells exactly like what they really described it to be. Now, I'll let you know truly how long this lasts on my skin, because obviously this is a first impression, so I don't really know. But by the time I edit the video, I'll be able to insert it somewhere and let you know how long I actually smelled this on my skin. If you enjoyed this first impression video, be sure to subscribe. Don't forget to thumbs up the video. Be sure to talk in the comments. If you have this or have tried this, please let me know what you think, because I don't really know a lot about these fragrances and I haven't really heard much about them, but I do know I like the way this smells, specifically for a skin natural day when it comes to fragrances. Okay, so let me know what you think, but I do truly like this clean, zesty scent that they gave me, and also soft and subtle. I really do truly like it. So let me know what you guys think. Be sure to come back and watch another video.